Today we'll show you how to use a two-person auger. We are digging a footing 4 feet underground for our deck post. This is exactly what we would do if we were also digging a fence post hole. Let's go get the auger and get started. All right, so right here is the auger I have rented. You can see here is the starter, and I have a throttle here on the handle. Throttle, if you're new to operating an auger, that's going to control your speed. We're going to go faster or slower depending on how you operate your throttle. And on the side here is the choke. You want to engage the choke, pull it before we get started. Now, it's really important, if you haven't used a machine like this before, make sure you have eye protection, ear protection. We're wearing steel-toed boots, and you don't want to wear loose-fitting clothing, and you do not want to have any limbs or legs, anything near the auger itself. You don't want to touch it, steer clear of that, and we're going to keep a fair distance like this away from the auger itself. Let's get started and dig that hole. So this right here is the starter. It's similar to that which you would have on a lawnmower. You're going to pull that to start it. Make sure your gas line is open. We have our gas there. You don't want to tip this over. And right here is your choke. When you're traveling, it's pushed in. So right there, it's pushed in. We're going to push that out when we're ready to go. This over here is your throttle. Okay, we got our motor. We're keeping it upright. We don't want to tilt it over. We're keeping it upright. Auger bit is right there. That's the heaviest part. Let's connect this. And what works is I have a table here, a utility table, and I have a recycling bin. I find this works. It just has to be stable and upright to connect your auger bit. Okay, we got a hole here. We're gonna line it up with a hole in the shaft here. We got a pin. See that? That hole, and that hole has to be lined up. Lily is helping me out. So Lily is just locking up the pin right now. Pin on the side, that is just gonna be locked. Okay. Stop, we got a big rock.
So bring it up.
All right, oh my gosh, big rock. And here is a look at the rock that just tripped us up. Not uncommon to have one of these, so you gotta stop sometimes for that. If you have a bar too, these are very helpful. You can rent really long ones to help pry up any of these big guys so they don't slow you down, all right? Let's clear out that hole, we got work to do. What the heck is that?
I don't know.
Oh, that's like concrete, eh?
Yeah, is that from the basement maybe?
We'll just go a little bit towards me, then we'll try that again. Okay. All right, put it in the hole and we'll go a little bit more towards me.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, up. Up. Are we able to go up? No, I could just. This is also a good point. Always call before you dig. We have called before we dig. We know that our gas line is over there. We know that our water supply is over there. This is a 100-year-old house, so sometimes you don't know what is buried, so we've just encountered some concrete, which happens. And so our job is to troubleshoot around that. So we're gonna see if we can get the auger out. Fingers crossed we can pull it up. If not, I have a plan B that has worked in the past. All right, let's give her a go. Let's investigate, yeah? Do you want to just grab that pry? Do you mind taking it and just feeling with that to see?
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Just hit it down to see if there's anything tripping that up. Or are we good?
Doesn't feel like it.
Okay, we're good. Okay, so we're just checking to make sure it's clear before we dig. So Lily is just doing that for me and it's all clear.
Hello.
Okay, we're good. We're gonna put the auger back in. We're gonna get our extension now. Okay, we're good?
Yeah. Ready?
Okay, good. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we got a bit of collapse, that's okay. We'll just keep it on my side. And this right here is your extension. And lift up, and set it down. Okay, we're just installing the pin. We're gonna set it on and we're gonna go down a little bit more, see what we got. Okay, got the hole. We say this is the hardest part. Serious, okay, it just has to go up a touch.
Did it.
Dyson, can you make a new one of these? Can you re-engineer the pin?
Stop.
All right, we're good?
Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
And up, 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 up. So we are dealing with sand. Sand is easier. If you have clay soil, you only want to go down about 1.5 feet and then bring it up, down and up, down and up. And you might even want to start with a smaller auger. This is 12-inch in diameter, about 13 actually. So you could start with a smaller one and work your way up. Clay soil is gonna be super duper hard. We're good? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah,
All right.
oh, there's another stone down there.
Are you serious?
Another brick.
All right.
Part of a brick.
All right, okay.
Just dump this off on the side?
Yeah, dump it out. All right, so what we're looking for, guys, we are looking for, let's see. We need 48 inches. Okay, so for our post, for our footing, for our deck, we need 48 inches and we are looking good. We're gonna clear that, get our inspector in, and then pour our footings. Okay, so that is a look at our hole there. And a tip for you guys, sand collapses really easy, especially if you have weight on it. Get your tubes in. Okay, we're gonna level these up and I'll show you guys how to do that in an upcoming video. But get your tubes in there so this doesn't collapse. Lilly was a rock star. By the way, Lilly is a professional welder, so all you girls out there, sky's the limit. Don't limit yourself, be anything you want to be.
That's
awesome.
Right, that's right.